This is a Fulton N47 MX-991U right-angle flashlight. These can be found all over because they were manufactured for the last 60 or 70 years by Fulton Industries in Ohio. These were issued to soldiers in Korea and Vietnam, and you may have bought an old flashlight and are wondering how to bring it back to life. This is a Fulton military replacement kit. It contains all the parts to take your old Fulton light and make it brand new. These lights have been produced for a very long time by a lot of different manufacturers, but they're all pretty much the same. There's three main parts. There's your bulb and reflector assembly, the battery cap, and the main body with the switch. The battery cap has a spring that pulls right out. Many of them have a spare bulb holder with a spare PR6 bulb. Sometimes they'll be in there, sometimes they won't. Below that, there's another compartment that contains some colored filters. Depending on where you got your light, you may or may not have these. And a metal hanger. The bulb and reflector assembly has this retaining ring that holds the bulb in place. Most Fulton lights use this PR6 incandescent bulb, which is often powered by two D, C, or AA batteries. They are a 3-volt bulb. Behind the reflector, there is an O-ring that holds the reflector in place. That can be pulled right out. Then we have a clear lens and a gasket. This military replacement kit contains 2 gaskets, an O-ring, an extra bulb, and some filters. 2 gaskets, an O-ring, an extra PR6 bulb, and filters. These 2 filters are diffusers. The white one turns your flashlight into a lantern. This one will break up the beam coming from your flashlight just a little bit. Green is often used nighttime during hunting or fishing, as animals usually do not respond to a green light. Blue can be used for chart plotting at night, as it does not damage night vision as much as white light. It's also useful for tracking game at night after it's been wounded, if you're a hunter. The yellow lens will help reduce glare, and the red lens will help preserve your night vision after your eyes have adjusted to darkness. And then we have a clear replacement lens. Here is the disassembled N47 light and the military replacement kit parts, and here's how to put it back together. Take the bottom cap and any lenses that we will not be using. You drop them right in there. Close that up. Take our main body here, one of our gaskets, make sure it's correctly seated all the way around on the bottom. That'll help keep the battery compartment waterproof. Put our spare bulb holder back in the base, and our battery spring in the base that holds the spare bulb holder in place. Let's put batteries in this thing. If we're going to do it, we might as well test it. Okay. Now we take our end cap, our clear lens, the other gasket, place that gasket in the cap, put the lens in there, the reflector, the O-ring, try to get it seated down in there all the way around, bulb retaining ring, And we put our bulb and lens assembly back on. Try it out. Success! Subscribe.